Hello everyone, my name is Azul. I'm very excited because this Friday was my second session live coding on Twitch, and I wanted to show you the results. We had this objective of create this app for forecasting stock trade data using timescale and large time models, foundational time series models. And it's pretty interesting because timescale is this time series database and allows us to basically create very fast queries on time series data. It is based on Progress and in Postgres, so it is very easy to use. And with this project, what you can achieve is basically learn how to integrate forecast into a timescale database. And it's pretty cool because the use case is forecasting stock trade data. So basically, in this project, what you can achieve is create a timescale database, learn how to include or ingest data to that timescale database, and then use TimeGPT, this foundational time series model, to generate forecast on the stock trade data. And it's pretty easy to use, and I really liked the integration and developing this project because if you can see, the forecasting part is only 2 lines of code. As you can see here, we are reading the data from timescale, which is very easy, and then we are forecasting that data using Nix/, TimeGPT, and then we are writing those forecasts to timescale. And the project is very easy to use. You just need to install the required libraries and call Python CRC. And you can pass the forecasting horizon you want to predict. In this case, I want to predict 12 steps ahead. And just like that, here, for example, we are calling TimeGPT. And just like that, you can access the timescale database. In this case, I have my forecast in the forecast table. And as you can see, here we have all our forecast. We have forecast for each symbol and for each price type. So if we want to access a particular symbol, I don't know, for example, Google, it's Google, and also we want to see forecast for the close value, you can use this query and you will have access to all the forecast for that particular symbol. But the amazing thing about this project is that you can port it to Grafana and basically have this amazing dashboard when you have the symbol, the past, the historical values of each symbol, and also the forecast provided by TimeGPT. And it was very easy to implement, and it is connected directly to Timescale. If you go to data source and go to Postgres, we are connecting to Timescale. And then if you go to the dashboard, the forecasting stock trade data, you can select each symbol. For example, you can select Netflix and you can see the forecast of the Netflix symbol. Or you can select Microsoft, or you can select Google, for example. Here we are seeing a forecast. Obviously, in this project, I used historical data, but in the next live coding session, which will be happening next Friday, 26, I don't remember exactly the date, but I will keep you posted, and I will be including real-time data and also forecasts, and I will be connecting everything into Grafana. So we will have Nixla, Timescale, and Grafana all in the same place, generating live forecast. I'm very excited. I think this was a very good starting point. So the next thing is to go live with this application. And I'm very, very proud about this project because everything is tested. We included a lot of tests. I usually use we, but I mean, that's just for, I'm very used to that. And we basically tested everything, and obviously we are documenting everything. We also created this makefile file and you can reproduce everything. I didn't record the Grafana part, but if you want to learn how to connect Timescale, Grafana, and Nixtla, please don't miss this Friday a new live coding session. I will be uploading the videos of this project. It will be ready in YouTube to show you the results, the whole process. You can see me coding and making a lot of mistakes, but hopefully you can also learn a lot, as I was learning in that particular streaming. So thank you so much, everyone. I'm Azul, and see you soon. Recording. Hello, everyone. I'm Azul, and in this session I will be live coding with Timescale. Timescale is this time series database, and I want to try it out. I want to learn Timescale because I'm not an expert in Timescale, and I'm imagining that I can adapt some tutorials or some code that we can find over the internet to include forecasts using Nixtla's TimeGPT. Okay, so I don't really have like a specific idea of the project. I will do some browsing over the internet to see what's interesting, but before that I wanted to complement a repo that I'm creating that basically contains like a template to create Python projects. And in the last session I started building it, but I want to improve that template, and I'm gonna spend, I don't know, a couple of minutes doing that before we deep dive in the application. So let me find the repo. So here it is, Python project template. So it's I think it's pretty interesting because the idea behind this is that it contains, for example, pre-commit configuration that I usually use in my Python projects. Also this PyProject file. I recently learned how to use these PyProject files, and I think those are very interesting because you can define like a set of different rules for your project and specify like certain configuration for certain tools that you are using in your project. For example, I like to use PyTest while I test Python projects. So basically here you can say to PyProject, okay, I want to test over the source data module, and I want to meet in that coverage the tests part, because we don't want like to have the tests with coverage, right? And for example, I always try like to have certain percentage of coverage. In this case, here I'm setting up like 80 as a minimum coverage percentage. And of course you can like define configuration for MyPy PyTest again, rough, a lot of rough setup tools. You can even define like the requirements file as a dependency. So it's pretty interesting and I like it a lot. And I like to use the requirement.txt file because and it was very difficult like to compatibilize PyProject with the requirements file, but I found it very useful, or I like it a lot, so I used basically that. And yeah, I like to use pre-commit, so I included pre-commit. But what we are missing here, and I think it can be a pretty good opportunity to include, is continuous integration. Actually testing the whole thing. Because yeah, we are configuring like the coverage and so on and fail under 80, but where are my tests? How do I include tests? So in this first part, I will include that. In fact, I have an issue. I opened an issue last week at GitHub Action Tests. So I'm gonna do that first. I'm grabbing some inspiration to start. Okay, let's do this. What do I need to do? Okay, I need to open my terminal. Okay. I don't remember. Let me check if I have. Python. No, I don't have it here, so I think I'm gonna go here. So, yes, I have it here. Cool, that's pretty cool. Okay, so okay, I have my files there. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so what do we need to do? Okay, I'm gonna start like activating the environment. Oh my god, no. Oh, I know. I'm gonna copy just this. Okay, so I need to add obviously. What's happening here? I need to add PyTest because we need to use PyTest. I commit a lot. I PyTest as dependency. Okay, perfect. We have PyTest. Let's update this environment. We can use UV pip sync requirements. Okay, pre-commit PyTest. Okay, git status. Okay, perfect. Okay, so okay, so we need the GitHub action. I think here we can find an example. Let's go with another one, maybe status forecast. Let's see. I'm looking for some code that I can just copy and paste because it's easier. But here we have, let me think a little bit. So we just need to, Okay. Let me see utils forecast. No. I think I can find. Okay, let's see this one again. I mean, I'm looking for something really pretty simple. I mean, we can use this one, but I want to use latest version v4. Oh my god. Okay. So we need to create this tier workflows, then our CIL file. Let's copy this. Continuous integration. We only want to test job. It's just tests. Tests we can include on push. I think this should work. I don't remember. On let's open ChatGPT. Let's start with ChatGPT. Okay. Okay. So I need push. I need pull request, and I need workflow dispatch, because workflow dispatch allows us to trigger the GitHub action at any time. Here, okay, I think we can use that. We can install the dependencies. We don't want to build this, we don't want to push this. Test. Run test, okay. And we need to run pytest. It's in okay. Install dependencies. No, we can use dot. Okay. And of course, we need to install UB. Okay, and we don't need this. Okay, I think we are ready. CI action. Okay, let's try pytest here. Probably it will break because we need to create like the test tier and so on. Yes, no data to report, obviously. So, but it failed. Yes. Required test coverage of 80%, not reached. Total. I mean, that's what I was looking for, like 80% at least. But since it is a template, what will be testing? Let me check. Yes, really quick. What I included in the init file. I didn't include anything. I was seeing on Twitter that you can do something like, for example, main, like main.py, and then I don't know, you can web, I don't know, for example, like def print def, I don't know, hello, print main, sorry, and print hello world, no? Hey, and then you can use like Python crc, and oh, it doesn't work. Oh my god. Because you need to call like probably it's something like that. For example, I don't know, Python. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I mean, I just saw that this is possible and I wanted to test it out, and oh my god, it works. This is exciting. I didn't know about this. Oh my god, I'm learning. I love to learn, so this is cool. This is cool. Okay, so we need to change that because we don't want to include that in our template. Oh my god. Print. Okay, we are going to remove that. I want to do it again. Oh my god. Remove. Okay, main. So maybe we can, I don't know, let's add just like main.py with my awesome function. Okay, my awesome function, and we are going to test that my awesome function actually works. Def test my awesome function, and just like that. Okay, so let's do this again. We want, oh no, that's I don't remember by this level. Let's do this. Oh my god, this is exciting. But and now what? Git status. Okay, we can add everything. And if we add initial tests, example tests, okay. But I'm worried about the workflows file, because I think what happens if we do PyTest? Perfect, we need to include that. I love it. Let's push this. Git push. Perfect. So let's go to this again, and I think, oh my god, what happened? Okay, it's running. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's running. It's failing. Oh my god. Install dependencies. Okay. error is a directory. Okay, I think the error comes from what? Why I put this R? No, what happened? Put install, uv put install. Okay, that's correct. Git add fix add correct command, and then we can push. Okay. Okay. What do you think? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's use system just because we don't need a virtual environment. We are testing things. It's an isolated like environment, so we can use system. Git add fix use uv system. Okay. I mean, I'm not opening a pull request to do this, which is not completely correct, but since I'm the only developer developing this repo, I think I can just push to me and see what happens. Oh my god, it's failing again. Maybe I need to install some plugins or something like that. Oh my god, I don't remember. Okay. PyTest. I included in the requirements file PyTest. Yes. PyTest go. Okay. PyTest. Okay. PyTest. Go. Thank you so much, ChatGPT. Oh my god. Fix PyTest gov to rec file. Okay. Git push. Perfect. Okay, wait, everything is cool. Okay. I'm wondering if it is better to use uv pip or uv add to add a dependency. I'm not sure, but we can explore together. uv pip versus uv add. Let's look for uv add. Add dependencies to the project. For example, if I want to use like uv add pytest code, what is the behavior? That's interesting. Dependencies, dynamic definition. So it seems that since we are using a requirements file as dependencies, yes, here in this line 52, we can, in this like a structure, to use uv add, but it's interesting because apparently it uv adds the dependency to the file, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And I guess that uv add, it's cool. So let's see what happened with our actions. No. Woo! Okay, so everything works fine. That's awesome. We have tests. We have our requirements. We have our PyProject file. So it was pretty cool. Let's close this issue. Fixed while streaming on Twitch. Okay. And let's, I always try like to include the commit. Let's do that. Let's do that. The only problem is that I included like a lot of commits, but let's copy this. Okay. Y esto. Close with comment. Oh my god, we are making a very good progress today. Okay, so now we can get started because I can use this Python project template to open the new GitHub repository and start working in today's project, which will be, oh my god, Timescale. Okay. So Timescale is a time series database. So basically you can store your time series data using Timescale. And I think that's interesting because apparently it is optimized for that kind of data. So basically, apparently you can like do very fast queries if you want to aggregate over time. For example, I don't know, maybe computing some statistics regarding like what happened in this particular month or this particular year, and you can like group by different categories, and the queries are very fast. So it's interesting. So I want to try it out. Let's see what happens. And I saw that they have different tutorials. In particular, they launched this new service, I guess. I don't know if it was like a service or a plugin or something. Let me see if I can find the release. Solutions, customers, developers. Pricing. No, I don't want pricing. Yeah, there was. It was like the latest release of Timescale. Uh, it, yeah, Hyperstore. And it was very interesting because I read this announcement, and the idea it's pretty amazing, at least in paper, because they found a way to combine the best of two worlds in databases, which is row storage against columnar storage. So basically, it is efficient if you have like a columnar database, because, or at least it depends on the use case. I mean, there's like a lot of noise. Sorry about that. Yeah, it depends on the use case. For example, if you are storing transactional data, maybe you will be better off using a row storage database instead of a columnar one. But I mean, for example, the columnar storage one is scales better. It depends on your use case, obviously, but the Timescale team combined both approaches for time series, so it's pretty interesting to see. It's pretty cool, and applications that deliver real time analytics. It's pretty cool. So I want to test it out, and they have um, they have some tutorials. They have automation tuning and post and so on. So yeah, they have some applications. Solutions. Let me find them. How to work with time series in Python. I'm just browsing. Sorry about that, but it's pretty interesting. Maybe Nixla can collaborate with Timescale. That could be amazing. But okay, so let me. I saw an example on electricity demand, I guess. Electricity demand timescale. I know. Why, Gemini? Use case? Tutorial? And energy consumption data tutorial. Yes, this is the page I was looking for. Okay, so we have different like tutorials, cryptocurrency, energy, finance. So we need to decide which one we are going to try it out. Okay, something interesting. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening here. Oh my god, this is on real time. Stocks real time. Oh my god. Second by second. Oh my god. You can even connect it to Grafana. That's interesting. Query data. I mean, I like this because we can, we can use Grafana. Probably I'm not going to use Grafana, but we can add forecast to this plot. I mean, in the ideal world, we can replicate the exact same tutorial, and with this plot, and then the forecasts. That would be very interesting to see. Okay. What's the difference between okay, yeah. So the part one is you have a data set, okay, and then you ingest this data, okay. It's interesting because in the first part is just you have your data to your database, and then you upload your historical or your data, and that's it. And the second part is using like connecting it to real-time data. So it's interesting because what we can do is basically replicate the first part, adding like the whole structure to forecast based on this table. Save the forecast on another table of timescale. And then if we have time, we can do the second part, but I think we can make it like a little bit simple, or simpler at least, and use just the part one of the finance tutorial. Okay, that sounds reasonable. Okay. And at the end we will have okay, I think it sounds interesting. Let's do it. Let's do it. So I think the first thing I need to do is to set up Timescale, and once it is done, I can start working with Timescale. Timescale Python SDK. Do they have like quick start Python and Timescale DB? Oh my god. They use psychopg, okay, psychopg 2, okay. Okay. Okay, let's set this up. Create a timescale service and connect to your service. Okay. In the timescale portal, click Create Service. Continue with Google. Let's use my personal one. What is your top priority for timescale? I don't know. Oh my god. I'm just looking. Forecast. For your use case, author. Please elaborate. Next. How much data you will take to... I mean, no sé. Hey, Azul. You're off to great start, okay? Create service, perfect. Okay, 30 days. I love this. Okay. Oh my god. I'm not sure if... I mean, I don't think... this is... Okay. You will have access to my timescale credentials. That's interesting. How can I like change this? Okay, download the config. Oh my god, I'm streaming my whole credentials. Hopefully okay, I'm gonna hide my desktop and see if I can change this. Okay. DBT, ¿qué es esto de DBT? Okay, sorry. Let's okay. I'm dealing with timescale. ¿Qué es esto? What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay. Okay. I'm almost done. I'm creating a new service. I deleted the previous one. And okay. I have the new credentials. Okay. And okay, then I'm storing this thing. What? Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Oh my god, this is incredible. Let me show you because this is exciting. This is exciting. Okay. Nice. Let's clear this. Okay. Perfect. I think I can share now. So let me show you. So basically I created the Timescale service and we are now connected using PSQL. PSQL. So basically it's pretty cool because Timescale gives you like the thing that you need to save in the PSQL config, and then you can access the database using this command. So it's pretty cool, I think. Yeah, that's cool. So we created a service. Perfect. On your local system, at the command prompt, connect to the service using I'm already connected. If your connection is successful, you'll see a message like this followed by the PSQL prompt. Oh my god. We are making pretty good progress here. I mean, we are already... Oh my god. Create a hyper table. Now we can create the GitHub repo. Let's use our template. Okay, exit. Exit. Okay, exit. Perfect. Git push. I pushed everything right. Okay, everything is up to date. I love it. So use this template, create a new repository. Oh my god, this is actually happening. And repository name, timescale. Timescale and foundation time series models. I mean, I don't like oh my god, names too long names, but large time model. Let's use a large time models. LTM. Oh my god. Timescale and large time models. Okay, I like it. How to integrate timescale and large time models. Build streaming on Twitch. On Twitch. Public, obviously. Create repository. Oh my god. Generating your repository, and now it's created. Oh my god. That's pretty cool. Okay. Then no, what happened? So the stream, okay. I need to start organizing these repos because I need order in my life. Timescale and large time models. I love it. Why not? Okay. Let's create a virtual environment. Let's activate that environment. What are the dependencies? Okay, I love this. It can be interesting if we can add like a feature, for example, to start this whole process, like creating the environment, activating it, installing the dependencies, like to have like a make command to make it very easy, no? Add an initial initial make command. I'm not sure. So it might be interesting to add make command to okay, perfect. And we're following this documentation. So basically create a standard create but okay. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I can type item, but how we can do this using Python? Because I mean, I can copy this and use like, or we can create a script. We can create a PSQL script. How to create a PSQL script and run it. Let's do the LLM do the work. That's my mantra lately. So we need to do this, and then we need to do this, and after that we need to do this. They don't have like a GitHub repo to reproduce this, or what? Okay. Let's go, ChatGPT. Oh my god. I love LLMs. I really love LLMs. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay. Let's create like, I don't know, make there a SQL. Let's ask the LLM, what is the best practice for storing PSQL or SQL files in a project? No, what's happening? Okay, SQL. Okay. Make their SQL and create metrics table. Okay, why not? Beam SQL create metrics table dot SQL. Okay. I don't like the comments of the LLM. I don't like them. Okay, we need to use SQL, right? Okay, perfect, no problem. So, what is the name of this thing? Matrix. Okay. Oh my god. I mean, I have this obsession of reproducing everything, and I don't know. I need to add like this download. It's create and populate. Download data. So we need to do exactly that. My dear Codium. Okay. Exactly. And okay, that's interesting. But do you know how gzip works? Like gzip. I mean, I want to create data. I mean, this can be done using the make file. I'm sorry about this, but I'm thinking, okay, what happens if we do download data? Nothing to be done. Oh my God. Okay, so, oh my God, it worked. It worked. Perfect. Now what? Yes, I want, okay, I'm gonna remove this because I really want to do things correctly. And make file, yes, I want to save that file in a specific directory, right? So gzip h no, I don't want to install that. And using it's gzip, right? Yes. Okay. Apparently this should work. No, it's a data metrics. Exactly like that. Let's see if this works. Download data, ll data. Nice, it worked. And the only thing, because I'm very okay, it's data metrics, and we need to create exactly. Oh my God. Download data, head data metrics. Oh my God, git add make file git commitments. Perfect, we downloaded the data. Then we need to actually populate the database. So we were changing, what we were changing? The SQL, okay, because we need to add here the actual path. Okay, perfect. And how was the instruction? What was the instruction? So the instruction was, what was the instruction? So no, it's populate timescale. Let's do populate timescale. We need download data, but we also need. I'm so sorry. Yes, download data, and then we need the project ID. Download data and no PSQL, no -d. It's project ID. I don't remember how to do that. It's I'm remembering if do we have something like, do we have here a make file? No. I need to really quick check something. because I don't remember and I really want to use that. I really want to use that. Just 1 minute. Oh my god. I have it. I have it here and we need, okay. That's interesting. And exactly. No. It's break data. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so I can share everything now. Okay, so we have, so basically we need the project ID of the timescale, So in this case we need a project ID. So basically we need to pass the project ID because we want to tell the command, please populate this. No. What am I doing? Project ID. Okay. And project ID. Require project ID. Okay. Require. Okay. Project ID. Perfect. And what else? Okay, obviously we need to change this, and this leaves, where this lives. So I need to open a new I need to open my terminal. Okay, so the file SQL. Okay. What's the name? Timescale. Okay. Got it. So stream timescale. Okay. SQL. Oh my god. What's happening? Okay. No, it's SQL. It's create metrics table .sql. Okay. So this should work. Let's activate my, I don't need it activated, but make populate timescale project ID populate timescale project ID. Okay. Is it working or not? What's happening? Oh my god, I think it worked. Okay. Git add this git. Yeah, because populate timescale is the important, the relevant method, right? Add populate timescale, make command. Okay. Then what? Git add SQL, git status. In timescale, and obviously it's very important to document our progress. Obviously. Oh my god. Let's start by what? By changing the name of the report, timescale, and large time models. A simple how to integrate large time models into Timescale database. Okay. Set up an environment. Okay, and then start project. Set up Timescale. And what we need to do, so basically we need, what we did, we followed this process follows the timescale documentation. Okay, then create a service on Timescale. Let's put the Timescale portal, and then download the data and populate Timescale using, this is a bash command. Okay, and we need to do make populate Timescale. And which is very important, it's actually the two. I think if I do this, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and so on. Create a service on Timescale, and the second one is save your credentials in PSQL in the PSQL config file, which is, I don't remember it. Okay. Oh my God, what am I doing? Okay, perfect. Project ID equal your project ID, perfect. I also, and that's interesting too. To test it out. I also saw that you can add like callouts to GitHub readmes. And I want to try one. When you create a Timescale service, you can download the PSQL config file, and also you will be provided with a PSQL command such as PSQL in your project typing. That's your project. And those are the instructions so far, so let's push this. Oh my god. Docs update instructions. Let's